There is a 4.7 earthquake in Zambia. This is 98 kilometers southeast of Winluga, Zambia, population 13,700. This earthquake occurred 20 minutes ago, and I've not heard of this location before, so I'm going to look at it on Google Earth. I know that it has to be over in South Africa or Africa. So if we look, this is over here. This is Zambia. This is the area of Zambia. Here, this is Angora. Zimbabwe is here. So this is Zambia, which is here. So this is the location of the 4.7 earthquake. Let's see, what is this? This looks as though the area here is being mined. You know, there is a hospital over here, a playing field here, shopping complex here. This area itself looks like mining. Let's see. So what is the distance between there and our earthquake? It is about 69 miles. I'm looking, see if there's anything else here. Pretty much seems to be in the middle of nowhere. Anyways, you guys, that's where the 4.7 has struck in Zambia. Hope y'all are doing well. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.